Hello everyone, welcome to My Tech Hub RPA YouTube channel. I know it's been a while we haven't uploaded any video, okay, because I was busy in something to do. But now onwards, we will be uploading daily content on our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin with the today's session. So in the previous videos, if you observe, like we just kickstart the RPA, okay, what the RPA is, and I just demonstrate about the RPA, okay. But if you go in deep, okay, there is lot much thing that you should be cover within your RPA journey. So I will give you the Academy website where you can learn RPA in detail. So this is the website academy.uipath.com. Here you can learn RPA in detail with UiPath tool. Okay. Here if you go in the learning path, and if you saw, there are a lots of videos, or you can say the sessions available from the UiPath official only. You can learn RPA from here only. But next time we will covering only the scenarios where we are going to stuck. From the next videos, we will be covering only the scenarios where we got an error. Okay. So from those small videos, if someone got kind of error, he or she can go through that video and handle that particular situation. Okay. I know there are lots of contents on YouTube related to the RPA UI path. Okay. So that's why we are just covering the scenarios where our developers will going to stuck. Okay. So the developer can come over our channel, and developer can search for the content he or she want, and he or she can go with that particular video and resolve the issue. So that's why I took over a month to think about this particular situation, and I conclude that we can go ahead with the YouTube videos with the exceptional scenarios. Okay, so the developer can come here and see how we can resolve the particular scenarios that will help them to go ahead with the smooth development. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button.